Welcome back. In our consumer news, if you have a Gourmet pressure cooker, you should stop using it. The Consumer Product Safety Commission says these cookers can expel hot contents under pressure, causing serious burns. 4 severe burn injuries have been reported. About 43,000 were sold between 2017 and 2020 at Best Buy and other retailers. If you're planning to catch a Packers game in 2026, it'll cost you more. Green Bay raising ticket prices for the season, up between $4 and $22 per ticket, depending where you sit. End zone seats run $77 for preseason, $155 for regular season. Seats between the 20-yard lines and $109 for preseason and $218 for regular season. The strikes on Iran are already hitting our wallets. Oil prices surging 12% overnight, with U.S. crude jumping about $8 to around $75 a barrel. Analysts say gas prices could rise more than 25 cents a gallon because of the conflict. And President Trump says he's cutting ties with AI company Anthropic. He's ordering every federal agency to immediately stop working with the San Francisco-based AI lab after Anthropic refused to let the military use its technology for autonomous weapons or mass surveillance of Americans. Anthropic has a $200 million contract with the Pentagon. Trump is threatening further action if the company doesn't cooperate. An unexpected twist in the future of food. Researchers in the UK say brewing leftovers may be the key to growing better meat in the lab. CBS's Tina Kraus reports.
A burger and a beer. It's a classic combo. Now British researchers are giving the pairing a scientific spin, using yeast left behind from brewing beer to create edible building blocks, a framework to help animal cells grow into lab-made meat.
The bacteria can grow on lots of different things, but the advantage of feeding them with this waste product is that we can turn waste that would otherwise be thrown away into something useful.
Scientists at University College London tapped into leftover yeast from a local brewery to test how well it could support growing cells while tackling ethical issues like sustainability and animal welfare.
It's very modern. It's very forward thinking, isn't it?
The goal, to give lab-made meat the right texture and chew while keeping production costs low.
We have this machine, the texture analyzer, which measures the force required to compress our cube, and that tells us how chewy our sample is.
The study found beer waste gave lab-made meat a texture closer to the real thing, and animal cells grew well on the frame it formed. The team now plans to try other cell types like fat and muscle and test yeast from different beers to see which produces the best results. From pint glass to petri dish, it's a full-circle food experiment scientists say could help beef up the future of dinner. Tina Kraus, CBS News, London.
Singapore became the first country to approve cultivated meat sales in 2020. U.S. regulators cleared initial sales of lab-grown chicken in 2023, but the industry is still small, with companies racing to cut costs and scale production.